Hi everyone. Okay, so I got my Spellbinders in my Spellbinders kit, and I did see the sneak peeks, but I did not look at my kit, what I got completely, so I'm excited to look at it. But the sneak peeks are like at the end of the month, so it's not like I can remember because my memory's shot. So, but we get 10 envelopes, 10 bases, card bases, so that's the standard. Yeah, and then we get the standard pop dots and tape runner, which are really good, which they're really good. Oh, look at, so we get enamel dots. I have so many enamel dots, it's just hilarious. I need to start using a little bit more, but these have little gold flecks in them. Flecks, yeah, that's, I mean, it sounds right, but it sounds weird. Like Elf Francisco. So let's see, we have gold, not a gaudy gold, but no numbers. Darn it, I love it when it has numbers. So, and then we get a stamp set. This one's so pretty. It's fairy and the unicorn. Aw, it's so pretty. Oh, I wonder if that's the theme. I didn't even know what the theme was. Birthday wishes, live your dreams. Oh, look at how pretty she is. That's beautiful. Ash. He's licking his paws, you guys. Oh, summer. It's hard on their allergies. And this is the, we always get a die set. So this is just the card kit right here. And it's Under the Sea Magic. So that's, oh, so we get a mermaid. Oh, we get a mermaid. A mermaid. And it's little sea. Is it an enemy? Is that what that is? Enemy, or is that something else? But either way, so sea stuff, and then we get 9 card stock pieces. So yeah, purple, white. Oh wow, this one's like a fuchsia. This one's really bright. Wow, I don't think I've had this one before. Oh, and it's smooth. It's not textured at all. Ash. And sorry, I had to discipline my children on camera. But his paws are so swollen, and I put his booties on, and he rips them off. So poor dude. So 9 pieces of that, and then we get the paper pack. Oh, that was a hard word. Jeez. So see how my day goes this morning. And mermaid scales. Purple. Oh, it's so pretty. Look at the unicorn. It's so pretty. I haven't seen any samples yet of this. I haven't watched, I've been really into quilting, so I've been watching those videos, and I haven't been watching the card making right now, so I need to catch up on those, on the DT for Spellbinders, what they've been doing, because this is just gorgeous. Oh, and it has gold flecks in it. Oh, wow. Yeah, I guess I didn't see the sneaks on this one. How did I miss the card kit? I don't know. Yeah, I don't know. But this is gorgeous. The anchor, and I love the background. That's pretty. And flowers. Wow, this is a great kit. So this is just the card kit, like I said. So this is I don't know the value of this one, but I get the whole kit and caboodle, and it comes out to, I think, at $109.25, and you get a ton for $109. Look how beautiful those colors are. Just, they are popping on screen, and they look just as vibrant in person too. So that's pretty cool. This is the die cuts, the Ephemera. Let's see. I'm just going to do a quick throw, because if you see any other design team like Yana, you go to Spellbinders, and Yana, she does each individual one that you can see perfectly on the Spellbinders channel. So that's a little bit more perfect than what I can do, because I don't want to take up too much of your time. But this unicorn is everything. Let me show you up close. That is just an elegant unicorn. And have an enchanted birthday. Aw, you're amazing. sea anemone, and a seahorse. Oh, pretty seahorses. So you have a left and a right. And you have little sentiments. Oh, look how pretty. Those are really pretty, you guys. This is probably the prettiest kit so far that I've seen for the year. The fantasy of it is just beautiful. I read paranormal romance, and that whole fantasy world is amazing. So it's up my alley. Okay, so that was the card kit. And let's go to, okay, now I did see a sneak of this and I gasped. I totally gasped. This is a food truck, and this is the large die of the month. Honestly, guys, Spellbinders is by far the best value for your money. They are, because I'm Mexican, they are the Mexican of the craft industry, where you go to their party and you don't want to go to Burger King when you leave their house, you know. So you're like stuffed, and then you have leftovers, and you have a goodie bag, and you have everything. Okay, so that's what Spellbinders feels like. It feels like you're going to their house, and then they just stuff you, and then they leave you. They tell you to go home. So that's just amazing. Look at this. So I have a silhouette cut file for these particular things. So they're 3D projects, but this is a flat one, and oh, it had my heart. So I hope they do more of those. That was just amazing. So geometric stripes. Oh, here it is. Geometrics. Oh, you're going to see a lot of glare. Let me see if I can get closer. If I get closer, maybe that'll help. So you have, there we go. So this one's pretty interesting. And that is their embossing folder. Oops, did I get another one? I did get another one, but I don't know. Sometimes they'll send you a dupe because they messed up somewhere in some wording, or it doesn't stamp correctly, so then they send you another one. I don't know what the deal is about this. I haven't seen anything, but I don't mind sharing, so it will go to a good home if it's possible. So, okay, and then this is the stamp of the month, and this is the coordinating die set. Oh, it's a popsicle. How cute is that? That is awesome. So yeah, totally awesome. You even get the stick. I love that. So that sorry, and this is the glimmer of the month. And with the glimmer of the month club, this is add a stripe of color. Oh, nice. Oh, that's really pretty. That is really neat. I like that. So with your glimmer of the month, they also send you the foil. They send you, I have a ton of foil because of them. This one's aluminum. I love that name, aluminum. Maybe I'll name my next puppy that, aluminum. So, I'm not drunk. I just, I in fact still have my coffee to drink. I'm like drooling over here. Small die of the month, day at the beach. So these are her arms, and this is her back. So that's what it looks like. That is so fun, you guys. I love it. And then this is the APG die of the month, which is Amazing Paper Grace. And this is a tiara trifold. Tiara trifold. What do you get with that? Ooh, I love her stuff. It's so elegant. It's so elegant and gorgeous and so versatile. All right, so look at all you get, you guys, for $109. I think it's worth it. So, yeah. All right, guys, we'll see y'all next month. Bye.